Temp-tations. That's all one person. Fantastic to have you back in our show
Great to be
today.
here always.
Thank you for being in studio
Thank you for
today.
having me.
This is so exciting, and you bring back your store and more. We call it store and more because, yeah, you can use this as a utensil crock. Holds how many utensils?
Over 27.
Over 27 utensils, but you can also use it as a vessel.
Yes, you can. It's the same great
Soup,
stoneware.
mac and cheese,
yes,
whatever
everything that we've been using. And when I think about Temp-tations, I think about the fact that we talk about magical transformation where one thing does multiple things. And this is that perfect example where, yes, it can be your utensil crock, but how about your punch? How about, a champagne bucket? We'll show you so many different ways that you can use it, but I know you're going to want to get through the colors and the patterns first.
But I wanted you to see on the inside, you've got
hand-painted.
more of that hand painting, and then look how deep this is. There's the beaded border.
Love.
That's what we love about floral lace, and of course you have the double handle, so this works out beautifully. The clearance price on this,
Unbelievable. We are retiring this. This has been a fan fave forever.
Now, ordinarily, this is $31.
Easily. Yes.
All right, we're going to do it today for $16.98. You might want to get 2 of these, because can you say ice bucket?
Right.
For your wine or your champagne?
Yes.
How you doing?
All of the above.
All right, so
where do you want to start?
Let's start over here in this corner.
All right, woodland.
With woodland. Now, I have woodland in the gray, 1600. Here's woodland in the buttercream, fewer than 5,000. Woodland in the taupe, 900, and woodland in the slate blue, 200 left. Now, in floral lace, hello yellow.
Hello yellow.
3,800. Here's the taupe. We're last call in taupe. Here's red, 2,800. Then the cranberry, 1,500. The always most popular blue.
My fave.
How many? 3,200 left in that blue. Don't wait on that. And here's the black, 2,200. And finally the gray, 2,300. But if you are an old world lover, we didn't forget about you. Here's the green, the color that started it all. The very first Temp-tations pattern color ever was green. 2,900 available. Now, incorporates all the colors of old world, is confetti. Going quickly with fewer than 600 left. Here's blue, 4,400. Here's gray, 4,000. The red, 2,400. The hello yellow, fewer than 3,000. The taupe, 1,200. And finally the black, 2,700.
Wow.
Now, this is not coming back. If your color and pattern sells out, gone for good.
We are retiring this piece. Like I said, it has been a fan favorite. Multiple years we've been sharing this piece with you, and I'll show you why.
How many quarts does this hold?
4 quarts. So
that's 4 quarts of bacon, mac and cheese?
Yes, bacon, mac and cheese. And what we love about it, it's that same beautiful stoneware.
Mac and cheese
Of course
in there?
I did. This can go under your broiler up to 500 degrees. So now this becomes your 4-quart bean pot or mac and cheese or your soups or your stews. Or how about, we love to talk about how Temp-tations keeps cold things colder longer. Now you can do all of your fruit punches and all of those great summertime beverages that we love.
Sangria?
Yes, sangria. Don't have me do it though. I mean,
Sangria.
I would have dipped the whole cup in here and just made it a whole lot easier. But look at how great that is. All of that nice
well, you
cut
know
up
what, you're going to avoid
fruit.
all that spillage if you use cups.
Yes, good idea. Probably a better idea.
Yeah.
And then how about it morphing into your champagne bucket, right? I love the fact, or your wine bucket, because you want to keep it nice and cold and chilled. How perfect.
You know what are really popular now? Those hard seltzers and cans.
Yes, I'm obsessed.
You can park those in there.
Yes, you could.
And get them cold.
Yes, absolutely.
If you're entertaining, right?
Yes, and love the idea of using this as your gift bag, right? For under $17. This is incredible. Fill it. We did it with printables if you wanted to, Cheryl's cookies, or maybe even just put a gift card, some dry pasta,
This
anything
cello
you
wrap
want.
you buy in rolls at the craft store.
super easy.
It's like you buy wrapping paper.
Yeah, tuck a bow on there and you're good. So whether it's a present, whether it's an ice bucket, a fruit punch, or now it's replacing, again, all of those great things that you need to serve. Mac and cheese. Look at this. We did a pumpkin soup.
Is that pepper jack?
Pepper jack. Of course it's pepper jack.
Pepper jack cheese.
My
It's got a little kick to it.
But why did I design it? So that it would hold multiple utensils, right? It's easy to keep this right by your sink, right by your stove. Over 27 utensils in here. And we all have that drawer, right? That tool drawer that we jam everything in. Thank you for that. We jam everything in there, and then when we try to open it, we can't get it open. True confession. That has been why I wanted to create, yes, a 4-quart baker. Yes, a utensil holder. How about even it becomes your vase if you have flowers or like a house plant. Now you have that gorgeous hand-painted detail.
You know what the difference between a vase and a vase is?
What?
$50.
Well, then this is a vase.
This is a vase.
Because
Look,
this
I've
is amazing.
got soup and croutons.
Look at how great that is.
Lovely.
This is that piece.
These your little wok bowls?
Yeah, they're the little wok bowls.
Love
Yeah,
these
when you
bowls.
guys had the pot stickers
When
on
I was home
the other
visiting
day.
my mom at Christmas time, I opened her cabinet to grab a
Yeah,
glass.
yes.
She had wok bowls in the cabinet.
Oh, thank you.
Sarah bought the wok bowls. She loves them. I said,
thank
Mom,
you.
I could have
Look at
gotten these
this.
for you. I would have been glad to buy them. She was like, I didn't want to bother you.
Yeah, I love her.
So this is fantastic. Mom sees something she wants, she just gets it.
I love that about her.
Yeah, she
Hey,
didn't
no
wait.
complaints.
Waits on no man. This is
Incredible.
fantastic. And over 2,000 are gone now.
I'm not surprised.
Almost 3,000
Very
now, I
smart,
beg your pardon.
everybody.
And can I tell you, ordinary price is $31, but clearance price, $16.98. Do you want to buy two? You could today because the price is stinking delicious.
Yeah.
It really is marvelous. And we also want to remind you that you've got 4 quarts of whatever you choose to
That's
put
right.
inside.
It can be hot, it can be cold, it can be potato salad, pasta salad, all those mayonnaise-based salads,
I'm told
David.
we're starting
Chill
to lose
these.
colors.
Okay, that means, Tara, wrap it up.
That just means I don't want you to miss out. If you want woodland, do we have gray left? 1,400. How about buttercream? How about taupe? 800 and the slate blue. We're last call in slate blue woodland. Okay. Now in floral lace, hello yellow. Okay, taupe. Gone. Okay, taupe is gone. All right, never to come back.
That's right, we are retiring this piece.
This is the red, 2,600. Cranberry, 1,200. We don't do much cranberry much anymore.
No, we don't. This blue.
This blue is the inky cobalt blue.
If you have a gift closet, pick one up, tuck it away. You'll find someone to give this to.
Oh,
I promise.
And you know what? If you don't give it to someone, you'll use it.
True story.
It's so perfect.
Keep it for yourself.
This is the blue, always most popular, 2,500. Here's the black, 1,900, and the gray, 2,200. Now let's talk floral lace. Oh, excuse me, Old World.
I love the old world.
Old World green, 2,600. Here's confetti, very popular, with 5,600. But we brought in more of that.
We always do. Confetti's
always
always
do.
our most popular.
Here's blue, another very popular Old World color. 4,000 left. Here's gray, 3,800. The red, 2,200. Hello,
Hello, yellow.
2,900. Then the taupe, 1,100, and finally the black, 2,600. How many are gone now, Miss Jen? 4,500 are gone now.
Oh, thank you, everybody.
Everybody is looking at this and saying, wait a minute.
Hold up.
I need my color, I need my pattern, I need a couple of these. I want to pick them up in different colors because I want to decorate for summer entertaining. Maybe you're going to have some parties in August.
Yeah, love that.
Because guess what? Next week is the last week of July.
I can't believe it. I'm telling you, I was shocked when we were looking at the calendar. But think about, David, all of the things that it can replace, from your wine bucket, all of your beverages that you want to serve hot and cold, utensils, plants. Use it as a gift bag. There's so many great ways, and it's all our hand-painted stoneware.
Sweet girl,
Yes.
you are coming back with a
Yes.
three-quart bowl. Is it
Yes.
new today?
It is not new.
A returning
But
favorite.
it's got a new silhouette. It's got an upswept handle.
And all we have to do is say bowls
White
and
woodland
temptations.
and white woodland.
And there's white woodland in that. So stick around. Tara's going to be back with another great item. And thank you so much for
Thank
being here, my
you.
friend.
Thanks, everybody.
All right, let's check in with Rosina. Is pink for Barbie?
Did you know that it's Barbie weekend, David? Well,